everyone! Today I'll be making bean curd shrimp rolls. For the filling, I will mix shrimp with pork and taro. It is usually served with sweet chili or ketchup. The outer part is crispy and the inside is soft and moist. It is very delicious. Try it out! Okay, let's get started. First, peel off the carrot skin. And peel off the taro skin too. Then clean it well and thinly grate it. Taro shreds weighs 1 pound or 450 grams. We have to grate the carrot too. I use carrot shreds only 2 ounces or 50 grams. Everything is prepared, time to make the filling. First put the carrot in. Then taro. 1 pound or 450 grams ground pork. 5 ounces or 150 grams chopped shrimp. 5 cloves chopped garlics and 3 pieces spring onions. 1 teaspoon sugar. Half a teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground pepper. A quarter teaspoon MSG. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 2 eggs, it is optional. If you use the eggs, the filling is a little soft. 2 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix it well. The filling is done. Keep it aside and turn to the curd bean. There are many types or brands of curd bean. You can use any. Mostly, we can keep it for 6 months, but if you keep it in the freezer, it will last up to 1 year. It sticks one to another, so separate it. Let's make the curd bean rolls. First put the filling in. You can make it to your favorite size. Then roll it up. You can use any string to tie both ends. You should tie the middle too. You should coat it with cooking oil, so it won't stick to each other while steaming. Before put the rolls to steam, bring a half pot of water to a boil. When the water is boiling, put the steamer on and steam it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, it's cooked. So remove it from the stove and let it completely cool down. Then cut it into pieces. The filling looks so good. Let's deep fry it. Pour generous amount of cooking oil and heat it up. I usually use the chopstick to check if the cooking oil is hot enough. If there are a lot of bubbles round up the chopstick, it means the cooking oil is ready. So drop the rolls in. Actually, the rolls are already cooked, so just flip it back and forth until it turns golden brown and crispy. Crispy curd bean shrimp rolls are done. Thank you for watching. If you have any idea, please share it in the comment box below. And see you in the next delicious recipes. Bye.